Hello Internet. Today we have this Gigabyte 1590 that came in from another shop. And according to the customer, the shop said
There's something on the motherboard that's probably messed up.
that this 1590 has no sign of life. Which makes me wonder, how did they determine that if the factory seal is still intact? So did they even take it apart to see resistances, the voltages, or anything good like that? I think the only sign that they see is no sign of customers or no sign of work anywhere near at their shop is what they should be seeing, given the fact that they're just saying that there's no sign of life without ever checking the sign of life. So, but I can already see this here, so that's probably how they diagnosed the whole thing.
Yeah, boy.
So let's take this thing apart and see whether it has signs of life or not. Alright, so at the very least we have the core, so that's good. All this thermal putty instead of pads. I don't know, what was Gigabyte thinking? Speed up the production line maybe? I do not know, and I do not care. Gigabyte is just full of gigabytes as usual. Makes me wonder, if they saved 20 cents doing this, why couldn't they pass that savings down implementing the fuses on the board? So that way you're not going to end up having a hole on there if one of them cheap garbage driver MOSFETs that they use on this board for whatever reason decides to get shorted. And that is why I hate Gigabyte. 50 series GPU costs $3,000 to $4,000 in 2026, and they still use these cheap driver MOSFETs that are known to fail regularly on a 30 series GPU. You had 30 series, 40 series. You had 2 generations of GPUs to know that the components that you're putting on these boards are prone to failure. So why not use MPS? I guess MPS doesn't want to taint its reputation by allowing Gigabyte to slap their product on their boards. Good call, MPS. I wouldn't want to put my name on this piece of junk either, so who cares? Alright, let's see what we got here. Let's see what that repair shop failed to notice. Memory is good, 1.8, good. PEX, this one's it's probably 5. Yeah, we're good here. Maybe 1.2, 1.5 or whatever, I don't know, who cares? Nothing here, nothing here. And yeah, I think we're good. The only thing I could check be the MS VDD and the NV VDD, which is gonna be here, half an ohm, and this one's memory. This one's 0.15 of an ohm, so we're good. No short.
Nice.
But I'm guessing we're gonna have problems with memory because the cord was either ripped off of its slot or something. I don't know. I don't see any cracks here, so who knows. There's a little bit of damage here, like little chopped off teeth in here or something. Yeah, hard to say. So yeah, it's hard to say where the problem's going to be originating, either on this corner or on that corner. I'm going to find out soon enough. And here goes the switch, and my stupid socket is acting up. Okay, there we go. So we're not pulling any amps. No sign of life, he says. Okay, 0.7, you can't see it. So nothing, so no amperage. What are we missing? What's this here? Nothing here. We have 12. Okay, so we got 12 coming in right there. No 12 coming out. Okay, we got 12 here. Right. So we only have 12 coming in, but not coming out.
No fix.
Okay, let's turn this off. Let's check that fuse. Looks like the fuse is there, so maybe my probes are acting up. Hold on a second. One more time. Oh, looks like the fuse is okay. Okay, there we go. So we finally got... Oh, look! We got power!
We are done. Wow, we're gonna invoice and mail this back to the customer. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Just by touching this fuse, we got power. Okay, interesting. So, do we have power everywhere? I'm guessing. Yep, we got memory.
Now, one tiny issue.
Oh, no power. Look. Again, 0. So,
We're gonna invoice and mail this back to the customer.
is it the fuse that's bad? Yeah, we're reading like 4 volts, 5 volts. Look at this. Now let's see what happens when I just short the fuse. There we go.
Short this back.
The power goes on.
Magical.
So it's just a bad fuse. So that kind of makes sense. given the fact that the damage was here, so the fuse probably just cracked in half. If you flex the board enough, they can actually crack inside, so that's perfectly normal. Alright, here goes some black horse flux.
The best flux.
And some solder. And let's get this thing off. There we go. No sign of life, they said, eh? That probably should be no sign of customer in that shop. There we go. Now, I did see this happen a couple of times. This kind of issue with the fuse where it gets cracked in half or after an impact. It's not common, but I've seen it enough to make that conclusion that that's exactly how it broke. So hopefully that's it. Hopefully there's no other damage. I would be surprised, definitely, if this is all there is that I had to do to get this thing fixed. Alright, so do we have power? Perfect. We got instant power.
And we still have 6 beeps.
Let's plug it into the PC and see if it posts. Power button's on. If it posts, that will be the easiest 59-year repair in history of mankind. And it does not post.
Bummer.
Oh well, what are you gonna do?
We're gonna invoice and mail this back to the customer.
Okay, let's bring in a different motherboard. Run the memory test. Alright, let's run mods. See what it does. Hopefully it'll detect it. It's taking a while, I guess it is detected. Oh, there we go. A1. Oh well, as usual, I guess. See right there. First channel training status number 8. That's A1. Cool. Shut down. I'm gonna try to reball the chip first. See if that helps. Hopefully it does. But my guess, as usual, I'm gonna have to reball the core. But I don't know. Let's try to get that one chip reballed. We'll see how bad it is. If it's got like grid pads under there, chances are we might have to reball the core. Might not have to. Just depends. Let's do the easy stuff first, I suppose. And it would be easy if there was none of that stupid thermal putty everywhere. But at the very least, it doesn't look like we're gonna have to replace the board, so that's good. These boards are not cheap. Okay, that was a reball for you. Hopefully it went well. Let's see, 1.8, good. Memory good. All right, on this one, I don't know if it's gonna post. Oh yeah, it's posting. There we go. Cool. All right, easiest 5090 repair ever. Hopefully that will be the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you're into this kind of stuff. Comment below. Let me know something I would be interested to read about. And thanks for watching and have a blessed day. And goodbye.